Ready to unlock the secrets of maximizing your Nvidia GPU's potential for mining Euro well? Was mining Ethereum? Let's dive in. First things first, driver installation. Head to the Nvidia website and download the latest drivers compatible with your specific GPU. You select custom installation and be sure to check the box for perform a clean installation to remove any older, potentially conflicting files. This ensures optimal performance and stability for your mining endeavors, or at least would have. Next, you'll need mining software. Popular choices include Trex or Phoenix Miner. Download your preferred miner from a reputable source to avoid malware. Extract the files to a dedicated folder on your drive. Then find the start bat or similar batch file. This is where you'll configure the software with your wallet address and pool information. Open the batch file in a text editor. Replace the placeholder wallet address with your own Ethereum wallet address, crucial for receiving your rewards. Also, update the pool address to your chosen mining pool. Ensure the algorithm is set for Ethereum, even though it's now irrelevant. This highlights legacy configurations. Save the changes. Now, let's optimize your Nvidia GPU settings. Open the Nvidia control panel, navigate to manage 3D settings, and then program settings. Find your mining software executable in the list if it's not there. Add it manually. Set power management mode to prefer maximum performance for consistent hash rates. Time for the fine-tuning. Download and install MSI Afterburner, a popular overclocking tool. Experiment with small adjustments to the core clock, memory clock, and power limit. Increase the memory clock in small increments until you see instability. Then dial it back slightly. Reduce the power limit to find the sweet spot between hash rate and power consumption. Remember, every GPU is different, so patience is key. Monitor your hash rate and power consumption closely as you tweak. The goal is to find the most efficient settings that maximize hash rate, while keeping your GPU temperature within safe limits and minimizing your electricity bill. Remember, GPU mining Ethereum is no longer possible, and this is for educational purposes. That's all there is to it.